Hello, Internet. This is LordMaddog, and I'm coming at you with another tutorial for my meta character creator. Okay, so this tutorial is going to be about adding accessories. So let's jump right on into it. First thing you're going to need is a new accessory, whether it be a particle or a static mesh or skeleton mesh. Will need a item that you are trying to add. As you see here, I already have a thing set. It's a pair of glasses. So we're going to go ahead and add these glasses to the system. We're going to go ahead and in our meta character creators, we're going to go blueprints. We're going to go character accessories, and then we'll just go ahead and duplicate one of these one here. We already got this one, so glasses. So we're going to go ray glasses. All right. Open it up. Open up in full editor, and we'll viewport frame to get on picture. You have to zoom in here to see what we got. All right, we see it there. Center point is perfect. Let's go ahead and change this mess to ray glasses. Right there. Now that part is, we're done with this little part. The next part we actually got to do is make a icon for them. So we will go into my Bluetooth, my utilities. Oops, I haven't passed it over yet. This is still my other, don't worry, it will be right there in the utilities. Once I have everything passed over, utilities, icon, picture taker, right here, icon taker, viewport. All right, so where is my static mesh? This is the one here. We're gonna change this to Ray-Ban BB. And we're gonna wanna zoom in on it as much as possible. So we'll probably remove all the rotations here. There we are. And then figure out exactly what rotation we want once we get it in closer to, we can see where it's at. There we are. Turn it kind of sideways. I think that's good. Zoom it in a little bit closer to the camera so it pretty much fills up the entire camera space. What? I'll just probably scale it a bit instead of trying to figure out exactly where we want it. Scale it. There we go. I'm making it easier. This won't affect anything later on by scaling it. It's just the icon we're taking here. There we go. Perfect icon. Now we hit Control B to go back out to where it was at. Right click, create static tester. Right click on the texture. Make sure we make it a UI. Make it a UI again. And then we invert our alpha and min alpha. So there we are. We now have a perfect icon of it. We will rename it to texture icon XS, we'll just SS, ACC, ray glasses. And then we're going to want to put it into wherever you're saving your icons. And I'm trying to remember where that was at the moment. I don't remember exactly where I'm saving my icons. Material textures. See my textures? I think it might be in my textures. UI, mask, preset icons. Nope. The easiest way to find out is actually to go to where I actually have someone already set up. So we're going to go data. We're going to go blueprints. We're going to data table. We're going to bring up accessories. They'll be right in here somewhere. I have a lot of data tables. We're looking there. First one on the list. That's why I couldn't find it. Accessories. All right, so we're going to figure out exactly where I'm storing them. I'm storing them on my UI. No, duh. That's a duh. Of course I'm storing in my UI. Okay, so UI accessory list there, icons. Drag that over there, move here. So it's now in here perfectly. Now we just hit add. Obviously we're going to select the blueprint we just made for it. So ray glasses, icon, ray glasses. Where's that? Icon ray glasses. Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's right. Perfect. Now we give it a name. Ray, we'll just actually call it Ray glasses. Right there. So now that's all set. We don't actually have to do this, but just to keep things right there. Hit play. We will open up our character, go accessories. Well, now, as you see right there, is our Ray glasses. We can accept it. We can put it right there on the forehead. Probably the nose bridge is actually where we're going to do that. Going to add accessories. We're going to want to zoom in on the face here. Now, this part is not necessary for the tutorial. It's just part of the actual making it look decent right here. Move it up. Y. Yeah, probably scale it down a little. Probably change the scale in the Y. So, oops, wrong way. It's not what I meant to do. This one right here. So they're not quite as big looking on her and goofy looking on her. And right there, that looks pretty good, I think. Not exactly her style, but hey, that's it. That is the whole tutorial. We just went from having no accessory to having added accessory. As you can see, it's very, very easy to add an accessory to the system. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and feel free to ask them in the comment section or on my Discord. LordMaddog signing off.